How many free AI videos did you make today? If the answer is zero, you're leaving something behind. Google is handing out free video generations every single day, and most people never claim a single one. They just reset overnight, and nobody even notices. Let me show you exactly where they're sitting, how to actually use them, and how to stretch them so you don't waste a single credit. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, way number one, and this is the most generous route in Google Flow. This is Google's filmmaking tool, and you get to it through labs.google. You sign in with a standard Google account. That's literally all you need. No upgrade, no payment, nothing. Here's the part most people completely miss. Google's own help page says that on a normal free account, you get 50 Flow credits every single day. Not a one-time bonus, not a trial, every day resetting like clockwork, whether you use it or not. Now, here's why the math matters. Credits are not the same thing as videos. VO 3.1 Lite uses 10 credits per generation. VO 3.1 Fast uses 20. VO 3.1 Quality uses 100. So with 50 credits a day, you're looking at 5 light clips or 2 fast clips or some mix in between depending what you actually need. Quality mode is basically out of reach on the daily free allowance because one single quality generation eats more than a full day's worth of credits by itself. Now, 3 rules you actually need to know here. Your daily refresh only kicks in once you make your first generation, so the clock starts the moment you actually create something, not at midnight like you'd expect. Unused credits do not roll over, so if you skip a day, that day's credits are just gone forever. There's no stacking them up for later. And your clips come out in 4, 6, or 8-second chunks. That's the frame you're working inside every single time. Here's how people waste it though. The fastest way to burn through 50 credits is prompting blind. Vague idea, hit generate, don't like it, generate again. Do that 4 times and your entire day's credits are gone before you've made a single thing you'd actually use. The smarter move is to write out exactly what you want before you even touch generate, subject, action, environment, lighting, style, all spelled out in one line. That alone stops you from burning credits, discovering halfway through that what you're making doesn't even match what you started with in your head. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. There is also a feature inside Flow called Frames, where you drop in a start frame and an end frame and describe the transition between them, which gives you way more control than just typing a prompt and hoping. And there's ingredients where you add reference images so a character or a product stays consistent from clip to clip instead of looking slightly different every single time you generate something new. Instead of regenerating a clip that's almost right and burning fresh credits doing it, there's also an extend option that just continues an existing clip from where it left off. 2 credit traps worth knowing before you go all in here. Google counts credits per generation, not per request, and a single request can actually produce 2 videos at once. So if your output setting is sitting on 2, you're burning twice the credits you think you are, and that's worth checking before you hit generate on anything. And on a standard free account, the 1080p upscale option isn't available to you, so just plan on finishing at whatever resolution Flow hands you rather than expecting to bump it up later. Way number 2. And this one surprises people. Google Vids. It's not a lab tool buried somewhere, it's just a normal Google app you probably already have access to right now. Video generation is now available directly inside Google Vids for anyone with a personal Google account, and you get 10 generations a month. Now, 10 a month is small next to 50 credits a day, so don't treat Vids as your main generation engine, treat it as your assembly line instead. You go to Vids.new, sign in, and you can generate straight from a text prompt or from a photo you already have. Here's the part almost nobody's talking about. There's also a Vids screen recorder extension that lets you record your screen and yourself right from the browser without even opening the app first. And you can publish straight from Vids to YouTube without downloading anything and re-uploading it separately like you normally have to. Everything exports as private by default, so nothing goes live before you've actually checked it yourself first. Way number 3, and this one's the zero credit route, third-party sites that offer this same video generation without touching your Google credits at all. Now, I'll be straight with you here. These aren't Google, they're outside platforms offering access to the underlying model, which means the limits, the availability, and the terms are entirely theirs. And they can change without any warning at all. If you're going to use one, read the terms first and treat it as extra swings, not your main pipeline. Anything that's actually going out publicly should run through Google's own tools because that's where you know exactly where you stand and what you're allowed to do with it. So here's how all three of these actually fit together. Flow is your engine because that's where the daily free credits and the real controls live. Vids is your finisher where you assemble the sequence, add narration, and publish it out to your audience. And the third-party option is your spare tire for when your credits run dry and you want to test one more idea before you forget it completely. And here's the thing that matters most about all of this. These allowances are set by Google, and Google can change them at any time without notice, no email, no warning, nothing. So this isn't something you bookmark and come back to in 3 months, expecting it to look exactly the same as it does today. If you've been sitting on the fence about learning AI video, this is the moment the door happens to be wide open, and the skill you build using it right now is going to outlast whatever the free allowance ends up being later on. Think about what this actually means day to day. If you're making content, running ads, or just trying to put together anything visual for your business, you've got a genuine video generation tool sitting inside your Google account that most people don't even know exists. 50 free credits a day, sitting right there, resetting every single day, whether you show up or not, and most people are going to scroll straight past this video and never once go claim them. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.